Hello, viewers. Thanks for checking out our channel. We're here with a new, interesting video about how to become a better investor. We hope you'll like our videos and pass them along to your friends. So, let us start our video number 8. Your investments don't need to be complicated. If you have 50 different investing accounts spread out in different places, you are only making life more difficult for yourself. Find an independent custodian that will allow you to store all of your investments in a centralized location for your convenience. There is a possibility that you will still require a number of accounts, such as a Roth IRA, a solo 401k, a regular IRA, a JTWROS account, and individual accounts. Number 7. Do your own research. The lesson here is to only put money into things you have a firm grasp on. Don't put money into something you don't fully comprehend. If you want to learn more, you should do more reading. This includes doing things like learning about investing on a regular basis, by reading, watching videos, talking to other investors, etc. You can better manage your investments if you have more knowledge to draw from. Moreover, keep in mind that merely because someone has a title of expert, that does not mean they are always correct. Number 6. Understand survivorship bias. Most of the time, people talk about the successes of others, but they rarely talk about their failures. Naturally, you'll hear more stories about investments that turned out well, while stories about investments that didn't work out will be harder to find and more likely to be forgotten. This is something that is referred to as survivorship bias, and it is something that you should be aware of if you are listening to, or reading, investment advice from other people. The majority of people can only recall and talk about their profitable investments, but they never discuss their unsuccessful ones. Number 5. Understand the difference between price and value. The distinction between price and value is a fundamental economic principle that should be thoroughly comprehended. There is no guarantee that anything is valuable or a good investment simply because it has a high price tag. The difference between value and price is what you get for your money. Number 4. Keep it simple. Investing does not need to be difficult. In fact, the most successful investments are typically the ones with the fewest moving parts. Don't give things more thought than they deserve, and don't try to make them more difficult than they need to be. The objective is to search for investments that you are familiar with and that correspond to your objectives. Once you've identified these opportunities, you should continue to pursue them. Once you've found something that is more complicated than what you're already familiar with, give it some time before diving headfirst into investing in it. Number 3. Focus on what you can control. When it comes to investing, there are a lot of factors that are outside of our control, such as the course of the market, the flow of current events, or ultimately the performance of particular stocks over a short period of time. To what end would concentrating on any one of them be helpful? Figure out how to keep your attention on the things that are under your control. Among these factors are how we respond to changes in market conditions, the degree to which we have diversified our investment portfolios, and the amount of risk we are willing to accept. Number 2. Risk management. Investing is a highly significant activity that requires careful risk management. The first step in effective risk management is making sure that your assets are in line with both your long-term objectives and your overall comfort level with taking risks. It could also tell you how to keep your money from getting stolen or how to keep your purchasing power from going down over time. Number 1. Have realistic expectations. It is essential to have reasonable expectations for the returns that you might anticipate receiving from investments held for a prolonged period of time. If you believe that you can quadruple your money in a single night, you are setting yourself up for a world of hurt. Get-rich-quick schemes are almost always a guarantee that you will remain impoverished for the rest of your life. Evolve beyond the confines of this misconception. Thanks for watching our videos. For more, like, share and comment on our videos.